Okay everyone, Mountain Wild Man here. Hopefully this is in frame. Right now I have KFU EDC knife. Little funky EDC is what Chris from KFU calls it. And I've done some usual cardboard cutting in boxes and paper and string, stuff like that in the house. But I figure I'd come out here and do a little bit with the wood, practicing for Bushclass. Just going to clean this up a little. Man, that shade's nice. To use this as a batoning stick. I mean, look at that. This thing's amazing. It's not even a woodworking knife. Wow, it's awesome. I mean, this is really no effort at all. Very nice. Chris did a nice job on this, but pretty much all his knives are nice. Now that was fast work of that. Here's, I mean, even like these little, look at that, just takes it right off. I mean, any sharp knife will do this, but woodworking with a knife designed for EDC is a whole nother story. Pretty good, huh? Right through the knots. You know what? I'm even going to try batoning with this a little bit. Let's see how this works. This wood's a little wet, but hopefully you got that in the picture there. Let's try something a little thicker here. As you can tell, I'm new at this batoning thing. Put this baby down for a minute here. There we go. Oh yeah. I could see where even carrying this hiking would not be a bad thing. Really don't even need this second pole practically. I can almost just push right down through it. Nice. Now part of my Bushclass is making feather sticks, which I've never done. So let's try it. No, that's not good. Yeah, those are horrible. It's not the knife's fault. I guess it's harder than the guys on the videos make it look. Well, I'm kind of embarrassed to even post this video, because obviously my bushcrafting skills are virtually non-existent. But I guess you have to start somewhere, right? Yeah. Guess I'm going to need a lot more practice. I mean, there's enough shavings. Oh, it's crumbling a little bit. I guess when you get down to the drier wood, that helps a little. Horrible. Gee, maybe I won't post this video. Maybe I'll wait till I have a clue there. Anyways. Well, I won't be posting this on BushcraftUSA as part of my lesson, that's for sure. This may just be a practice shot here. Anyways. There's Chris Bowden's Little Funky EDC, KFU Knives for Users, on bladeforums.com is where KFU can be found. And these knives are awesome. I mean, I don't know the price on this. It'll probably be somewhere around $120. But it's a quality knife. I mean, obviously, it does pretty good with wood. It'll do just fine for normal everyday uses. Alright, there it is. Thanks for watching. This is Mountain Wild Man. See you later.